Hey everyone, my name is Prashant Kumar Jana. So my topic is network. So these are the contents. Contents are what is network, general type of network, and type of content, create connections, and type of networks. And there are advantages of network and disadvantages of network, and what is what is network topology, and what is IP address. Okay. Next slide. What is network? Network is a two or more computers or the other electronics device connected together so that they can exchange data. That is network. Next, type of create connections. There are two type of create connections: point to point and multi points. Point to point is simple. The simplest type of connection between two computers or two machine or join two business apartment that we can exchange data. Okay, that is point to point. And multi point, connection between three computers or more than three computers, machine, more than three computers like machine and all this apartment or more that we can access the data. Okay. Next is point to point. Here is the video. um, Point to point is one computer to another computer. Okay. A multi point is one a business frame to another business frame. Okay. Next, general type of network. General types of networks. The global network and local network. There are two type of networks. Okay. uh, this net Basically global network is a the this network used between countries. For example, joint countries all over the world. The basically connect in a this network using in a local. For example, for join multi of office together, or join network between cities like Rourkela to Bhubaneswar to Delhi, and all. This networks reduce cost. And global network. Global network is like India to America. Global network. Okay. The next slide. You can see global network is connection between countries and countries. And local networks is define connection between cities and cities. Okay. Type of networks. There are four type of networks. Okay. LAN, MAN, WAN, and WLAN. LAN, local area network, and MAN, metropolitan area network, and one is WN, one is wide area network, and the WLAN, wireless local area network. Okay. Local area network. This is the one of the original category of the network and one of the simplest. LAN network, connection between computer together over the relative small distance, such as within a single building or within a single group of buildings. This network used between 100 meters to 1000 meters. Okay. Communication area network. Basically, it's a different type of network. This network which is larger than a LAN but smaller than a one. Okay. Element of both is typically span a town or city owned by single person or company, such as local council or large company. In this picture, you can see this. The next, wide area network. Okay, this is the another of the original categories of the network and slightly more complex in nature. One network is connect computers together over large physics distance, remotely connecting them over one huge network. Okay, and allowing them to communicate even when far apart. The internet is one, or connect all the computer to world together. Okay, and next is wireless local area network. This is LAN. This is a LAN which works using wireless network technology such as Wi-Fi. And this type of network is becoming more popular as wireless technology in future development. Basically, it's wireless network like Wi-Fi. You can use Wi-Fi. So basically, it's that. Okay, next, advantages of network. Okay, store data centrally. Okay, keep all of our settings centrally. Basically, it's help to exchange the data. Disadvantages of network. This computer is vulnerable of hackers. Uh, in If the network breaks, many tasks become very difficult. We totally depend on data, online data. We can store our data for in online. So, okay, next. What is network topology? This is a basic symmetric system. What is network topology? This is a basic systemized of network of create our network easiest of the best is easiest and best form. Type of network. There are 7 type of network. Okay, star, ring, bus, mesh, line, tree, and fully connected. Okay, what is IP address? IP address is a IP address is a protocol, internet protocol that consists of numbers, 3 numbers between each other part of dot, number, comma, number will be to 250. Okay, for example, you can see here 192.198.0.1. Okay, and another one 168.10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, that is looks like that is an IP address. Okay. Uh, okay, next we have two type of IP address. Okay, dynamic IP address, that is temporary. Okay, and static IP address, that is permanent. Okay. Conclusion. As a result, in the presentation, we learn that network is the main way to exchange the data and file and information between computer and electronic device of cities of countries. We learned type of networks, advantages, disadvantages of network, and we knew way to create connection from network, and that's it. Here are my references. So yeah, thank you.